this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the front door or just the door hinges in this 2017 Corolla. It is the same procedure to replacing the door or just the door hinges. Let's do it. Hello everybody, welcome to this video. First we have to remove this harness. In order to get the wiring disconnected, we have to remove this panel carefully. After removing the kick panel, I'm gonna disconnect these three connectors. First the big connector and then the second connector. There is a small pin, you have to just press it in and pull it out, it's gonna come off. And there's a small yellow connector. Now let's pull the harness out. Now I'm gonna lose these two bolts on the upper hinge and the lower hinge. And just grab a 10mm socket and unbolt the door check. While unbolting these bolts, we just need a helper to hold the door for us. As we see, I removed the door. Now I'm gonna remove the hinges from the body. Now this is a quick tip. Before removing the hinges from the body, grab a marker and mark around the hinges. In this case, when you're installing a new hinges, you know where to place the hinges, the new hinges, and tied it up. And then after installing the door, you won't need to adjust or alignment the door. And in this case, you won't have problem with the door alignment or adjustment. Now unbolt these two bolts on the top hinges and the lower hinges, this bolt and this bolt. The new hinges just installed, and after this it's ready to just put the door back on. After tightening these two bolts on the upper hinges and the two bolts on the lower hinges and also this door check bolt, then I'm gonna put the harness back in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.